The idea behind a green roof is to replace the traditional sort of planting that you would get on the ground. So if you imagine building a new range of housing or warehousing onto greenbelt land, if you're taking 100 square metre of a concrete floor that you're putting down, whatever was there before in a field will have maybe a wildflower blanket or various plant species. The most important thing is that you're replacing the rainwater attenuation. So a green roof effectively takes what was on the ground before and puts it onto the roof. The key USP of Urbanscape is the lightweight nature of it. So a traditional green roof, when fully saturated, and it rains quite heavily in the UK from time to time, you have to include it fully saturated. Traditional green roof would weigh anywhere from 120 to 150 kilograms per square metre. So when you imagine that sort of weight on a roof, it's quite substantial. Whereas with an Urbanscape green roof, because of its fully saturated weight only being 65 kilograms per square metre, you can actually usually include that weight loading within a standard roof design, whether that's lightweight metal or timber. So Urbanscape itself, the key selling point to it is the needle felt that we include, which is a rock roll manufactured in our own factory, that because of the conditions we manufacture, we understand exactly how that substrate operates in terms of water retention. So it actually takes the necessities, I've said, for the 6 centimetres of soil and makes it a thinner system and a much more lightweight system. It's faster, so it's twice as quick to install than a traditional system. It's lighter, so 65 kg as opposed to 150 kg. And the most important thing is it's calculable. When it comes to green roofs, whilst people will look at the fact that they will retain water, no other green roof supplier in the world can actually calculate the amount of rainwater attenuation you would get with a green roof, whereas through our unique performance evaluation tool, Knauf Insulation can actually do that. Today I've not found a building that you can't put Urbanscape on. So when you look at the domestic market, believe it or not, there is a big market in the UK for greening sheds. If you were to put a traditional green roof onto a shed, clearly it wouldn't be designed to take the weight. Our Urbanscape system will go onto any type of shed. If we look at the benefits of the Urbanscape system throughout the supply chain, to an architect, what we offer them is a robust specification that meets the needs of the building throughout the whole process and actually be built and installed. So the main benefit to the installer will be the fact that it's going to be a lot quicker for them. It's going to meet that total cost of ownership, which means it's cost effective for the main contractor whilst meeting the architect specification. It means it's quicker for them to install in terms of the labour that they need on site. So all in all, it will give them a much better proposition to offer to the client.